Now as a student, up to now we have studied about the self-induction. And what is self-induction? Definition, epsilon is equal to minus L di by dt हमने देख लिया था. Today we have to see that derive an expression for self-inductance of a solenoid. तो हमको क्या करना है, सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ ए सोलेनॉइड ये डिराइव करना है. सो फॉर दिस पर्टिकुलर केस वी हैव टू ड्रॉ द डायग्राम. तो डायग्राम कैसे बनेगा, सिंपल सा है. दिस इज द इंडक्टर कॉइल. In this inductor, I amount of current is flowing. L is the inductor, and we have to calculate the self-inductance of this particular coil. So what we'll consider? I be the current small l be the length of solenoid, length of a solenoid, capital L be the inductance, capital N be number of turns, be the number of, small n is what, number of turns of the solenoid. Okay, and what is the small n? Small n is number of turns per unit length. Of solenoid. Okay, for this particular derivation we have considered that L is the inductor, I be the current flowing through the inductor or the solenoid, L is the length of the solenoid, L is the inductance, capital N is the number of turns of the solenoid, and small n is the number of turns per unit length of the solenoid. These are the assumptions we have done. So we know that flux linkage is proportional to, so flux linkage is what? It is directly proportional to the current. Flux linkage is what? Directly proportional to the current. So the flux linkage is given by N into phi, which is equal to L into I. Okay, so before that we can write N of phi is proportional to I. So N phi is equal to L into I. So what will happen to L? L को निकालना है, N phi divided by I. L will become what? N phi divided by L. So इससे L inductance value we have got. We have got the value of inductance. Now phi, what is phi? Already we know phi is the flux, magnetic flux linked with the solenoid. It is given by, flux is given by what? B into A. What is B? B is the magnetic field. What is A? Area. So we know phi is equal to B into A. So above equation will become L is equal to NBA divided by I. N is the number of turns, Further we know for the solenoid, what is the value of B? Magnetic field due to solenoid is given by what? Mu naught Ni. So substituting this value of B का वैल्यू कितना है? म्यू नॉट Ni. ये अब इक्वेशन में पुट करेंगे तो क्या होगा? म्यू नॉट Ni A बाय I. अब क्या होगा? L I और I कैंसिल हो गया. अपने पास क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ N म्यू, कैपिटल N म्यू, स्मॉल n इंटू A. फर्दर वी नो स्मॉल n इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल N डिवाइडेड बाय L. What is L? L is the length of the solenoid. What is capital N? It is the number of turns of the solenoid, and small n is equal to what? Number of turns per unit length of the solenoid. So what will happen to this above equation? L is equal to capital N mu capital N by L into A. So this equation n into n will become what? This is mu naught n square A by L. So L will be equal to mu naught n square A by L. So this is the inductance of a solenoid. ये क्या होगा? Inductance of a solenoid. But if suppose in this solenoid, inside this if you keep some material, so that what will happen? The inductance has to be increased. तो सपोज हमने आयरन रॉड रख दिया, सॉफ्ट आयरन रॉड या आयरन रॉड रख दिया इसके बीच में, तो क्या होगा? दिस इंडक्टेंस विल बी इंक्रीज्ड. सो द इंडक्टेंस इंक्रीज्ड if the solenoid has a core of relative permeability. Next, if the solenoid has a core of relative permeability, mu r, then what will happen to this equation? L is equal to mu naught mu r n square A by L. तो ये हुआ तुम्हारा इंडक्टेंस, सेल्फ इंडक्टेंस ऑफ ए सोलेनॉइड. बहुत ही छोटा डेरिवेशन है. दिस विल बी आस्क्ड फॉर 3 मार्क्स. सो फास्टली रिकैप कर लेते हैं. So to calculate the self inductance of a solenoid, we will consider a solenoid of inductance L. I amount of current is flowing through this. L is the length of the conductor. Let I be the current flowing through the solenoid. Small l will be the length of the solenoid. Capital N is the inductance of the solenoid. N is the number of turns. Small n is what? Number of turns per unit length of the solenoid. The flux linkage is equal to directly proportional to what? To the current. So N phi is proportional to I. So N phi is equal to L into I, where L is the inductance. So L can be written as N phi divided by I. Phi is equal to, we know, B into A. B is the magnetic field, A is the area of cross section. So L is equal to NBA by I. We know further B is equal to mu naught Ni. B किसके लिए है? सोलेनॉइड के लिए. So सोलेनॉइड के लिए वैल्यू फार्मूला क्या है? This is for solenoid. Okay. Now solenoid B is equal to mu naught Ni. Substitute the value of B. I will get cancelled. तो क्या बचेगा? N mu naught N into A. Further we know small n is what? Number of turns per unit length. तो कैपिटल N डिवाइडेड बाय स्मॉल n. तो वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो N into N will become N mu naught N square A by L. सो ये इक्वेशन बनेगा. तो ये 3 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट हो गया. Okay, and if suppose the solenoid has some core relative permeability mu r, then mu naught mu r N square A by L ये इक्वेशन आएगा. So this completes the derivation. So second derivative में second differentiation में वीडियो में हम देखेंगे एनर्जी stored in an inductor. Okay.